Hey everyone, welcome. We are going to be going over the Chrysler first generation UConnect touchscreen system today. So let's power this puppy up. At least get it into accessory mode. And you will see upon startup, there is a Dodge emblem, and then it takes us to the satellite radio, which we do have subscribed, but we're in a shed, so it hasn't been fully activated yet. But you can see we've got some buttons here. The coolest one being the open and close button for your DVD. Look at that, and then you can close it. And then it'll turn back on. You have your seek. If you put it on FM, you have your seek for your radio. You have your radio and your media. You can put your disc in, your HDD, your aux, which is right there, or your FM, AM, or satellite. Mind you, this is a 2009. This does not have Bluetooth audio streaming. Very cool. So, we're on the satellite radio section. If you click on music type, that will take you to all of your different music types. Once there are presets up there, like on FM, you have your different presets, 12 of them to be exact. You can hide the list. You can go to your music type to search through all of that. You have your info. You have your scan for different radio stations. And then you have your time down there, which this is very, very, very easy and simple. So, you can show the time if the radio's off. You could put it at daylight savings. You could set your time zone. That's how easy it is to set the time on one of these instead of going into the whole infotainment and trying to, just adjust a simple number. So we'll go back to radio media. We're going to push the button here that turns the system off, and it shows you the time. Very simplistic. We'll turn it back on. So now you have your voice control. Next station.
Next station.
And it tunes it for you. You have your phone.
In this phone is connected. UConnect.
There we go. Very simple. You can do your UConnect setup there too. We're going to click on menu next. So you have your music files if you want to put any of that stuff, your address book. Done. Your pictures if you want to upload any pictures from a disc or a USB, which is pretty cool, which I may do. You can add your pictures on there. Click done. Or your music. So you can import music files. You can import your playlists from USB or from disc, which is really cool. So if you have any USB files downloaded, you can pull that out there, and then that will allow you to download any music that you want onto your device, which is pretty cool. So now we'll go to nav. This did have navigation, and let me tell you, this is actually one of the better navigations for its time back in 2009. So you have your new destination, your address book, point on map, street address, city center, blah, blah, blah. Everything is just so easy. So let's just say you want to put in a street address, and we want to change it into Wisconsin. We could do that by pressing state, and we want to change it to Wisconsin. There we go. Changed. Input street name. So we could do that. Very simple. City center. Just click on Wisconsin. And we'll put down, let's just do Chautauqua. There we go. How simple is that? So that calculated the route for me. And that of course, has the method for the faster route. You can click on your options here. You could simulate your route. So that'll show you where you need to go.
U-turn if possible.
It'll show you how to drive there, as it's doing right now.
500 feet. Now turn right.
We don't need to watch that. And that's basically that. So pretty easy to type in the destination, your recent places, blah, blah, blah. Here's all the recent places, your trips. You could plan a new trip. You can guide you home, which we don't need to because that is not my house. Your point of interest. So you can type in all of your different point of interests there. Favorite POIs, emergency info. So that's going to show you, where your emergency stuff is. You can check on the where are you now. You get your latitude, longitude, and your elevation, nearby point of interests. And that is it. And then there's your map. So the map, you have some options here. You can scroll in and out, zoom in, zoom out. You can click on the map in order to change where you want to go. You can change what direction you're looking at. And you can go 3D if you so choose. But we like 2D. So, that's it. That's the map. There we go. So, how cool is this? I love this system because it's so simple. So, in 2024, this system is more than capable to handle itself. And what is really nice about it, none of your heated seat controls or any of that stuff is in the actual infotainment system. And Chrysler did a great job with the 8.4-inch UConnect system, building it off this original UConnect. This is so simple to use for a touchscreen system because, yes, there are hard buttons, redundant buttons to get to where you need to be, but you have your heated seats, you have your air, you have all that stuff right there in front of you. So, all in all, very simple to use. I hope this helps you guys. If you're looking at one of these cars, don't let this old system turn you away because it actually is very up-to-date and very easy to use. I'm very happy with it. It's never let me down. And, of course, you have the little digital display here where you can go through your different options here by the touch of a button. You have your system, your oil, your temperature, your tire PSI, and you can keep going through that system there. You have your personal settings, your language, your door locks, your unlock door, your remote key unlock, sound horn with remote lock, flashlights, headlamps on with wipers, blah, 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 blah. Very, very simple. Look at that, not bad. So you have a surround sound. This does have a kicker sound system, which is actually very kick-ass. And you could change all that with the push of a button. You have your performance features. So you have your 0 to 60 time, your quarter mile time, your eighth mile time, braking distance, G-force, peak G-force, and your speedometer. And that is it. That's the simplicity of the UConnect, original UConnect system in this 2009 Dodge Challenger. If you like this, like and subscribe. If you want more content on this Dodge Challenger SRT8, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you.